Axolotls are cursed and I have proof. Every single axolotl I've tried to print on this channel ends up like this. Or this. It's just been an impossible print. I want my axolotl. I'm currently printing the third axolotl model that I found. It's a little baby axolotl. And guess what? They also failed. Oh, wait, it gets better. This is build plate number 1. This is build plate number 2. I got this big old pile of axolotl fail, but it's not all bad. I did end up with a pile of really cute ones. Hello. This is one of my favorite rainbow filaments. It's from Unico Fill, and it's like a frosted rainbow color. This is our Hype Color Halong Bay Sunrise, and this is our brand new Seafoam color. I also really just wanted an axolotl we could put in our shop. And we have cute little plushies. And I kind of messed up because I did not realize how much space hundreds of axolotl plushies take up in a home. Someday I will defeat the curse of the axolotl. They're just too cute.